Alright, let's check out Solana. So we've literally had a textbook retrace of the 618, which turned into a rejection. So yeah, if you don't know, we've got this macro fib all the way from the all-time high to the start of the bull run, and the 618 is here at 112. I've been saying 112 basically for every single video since about, well, yeah, for the past 2 weeks or so, which is when I made my channel. So I've had this target of 112 for a very long time now. You can go check that in my previous videos, and we literally tested it exactly up to maybe what, $1.69 over my price target, and got a rejection and came down. So we basically said we need to see how we react to this 618 and the top of this trend. Again, I say for all of my videos, I see a lot of people getting out of bed when we have these rallies. Now, a 40% rally is lovely, but when it's a rally to a higher low, there's nothing to get out of bed for. Obviously, we've had rallies like this in the past from here to here. We had a 40% rally before tumbling from here to here. We had a 30% rally. And as you can see, we've had a very similar move from the low to the high. We've had about a 40% move. So what to look for now for Solana? If we don't get above this 112 level, then the only thing I really see us doing is coming to the bottom of this channel again, which unfortunately, if we draw this out to that wick, you can see that would be around about $64, which is a disgusting move from where we are now. It's about a 40% drop. Now, I don't necessarily think it's likely that we come all the way down here, but for Solana, I mean, we really need to get above this 618, otherwise we can't be bullish about anything. Now, Solana's just going to follow the total market cap, so if Bitcoin doesn't get above this 40,000 and doesn't get above this rejection line that we've been consistently getting rejected from here, and here, Bitcoin's probably going to come down to retest the 33, and Solana, I mean, Solana could get absolutely destroyed in this move. Now, I really don't want to see this happen, but I mean, we've just got to be objective, and I'm looking at the charts, and this is what the charts are telling me. I wish I could say we got above the 112 and now we can be bullish, but it is what it is. We got rejected from the 618, and it looks like we're having a little turnaround. So if you do want to hold this as maybe like a little double top before we come back through and break it, we would need to hold $93 and have a bounce from there. If we don't hold $93, then we're going to come all the way down to at least back testing the lows here at $80, which is roughly what, 25%, a 23% drop from where we are now. So if anything, I would be looking for us to come down to this $80 region if we don't, you know, somewhat immediately get above this 618. I think we came up here, this was a daily rejection, we've had another daily rejection and come down. So I mean, technically, you know, something like Wing out of this is 100% possible, but for now, what I see is a lower high for Solana, which is unfortunate. Not too much selling volume stepping in, which is okay. Let's check out the BTC pair. So Solana's still looking relatively well against Bitcoin. Now, on the 618 of the BTC pair, you can see that we held it quite nicely, but we've got our 200-day moving average here, and we've come up and we have, I don't want to say we've got rejected from it yet, but we have technically been rejected from it quite strongly on 2 daily candles. So until we do get above this 200-day moving average, then Solana against BTC is probably going to be bearish. Now, we didn't even get up to the 618 of this move. If we find the all-time high, it doesn't even look like we came up to, so we basically just got through the 236 and had a rejection. So in the short to mid-term, Solana is looking bearish. That is just my honest opinion on the market. Solana is one of my favorite coins, but I'm going to say it again, until we get above this 112, there's nothing to be bullish on for Solana. So I'm going to be going back into my cave, and you can wake me up once we've broken out of this this resistance line. So Once again, none of this is financial advice. They're all just my opinions on the market. You've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.